Hi everyone, I'm going to make today Oriental noodles. These noodles I'm going to use. You can buy that in Asian store. But I'm going to use ground beef. Just heat the ground beef to fry it. Okay, and I have boiling water here. I'm gonna boil the water, and then we are going to cook the noodles for 4 minutes. We go, so that way it's fast. Now I don't have fresh garlic. I'm going to use garlic powder. Okay. And add ground black pepper. I do have here a teriyaki sauce, so I'm going to add the teriyaki sauce just a little bit because it's going to be sweeter. You just mix this. And add the onion. Just mix this. Add the carrots. And we are just going to cover this. Just steam it a little bit. Add the broccoli. I mix the water with cornstarch. You can use also broth if you would like. Now I'm going to add pepper. And soy sauce. You have to add because we add more vegetables. Add more water because it's going to dry if you're not adding more water because you put cornstarch in it. It's going to be thicker, the sauce. Put the noodles on the water for, just read the instruction. It's say that you just have to cook the noodles for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going add the bell pepper. When you add a bell pepper, and then just mix that. You just let our vegetable to be cooked and soft. But if you like to be crunchy, then you don't have to cook through. Just let it cover. And the noodles needs to. It's just so fast to cook. Okay everyone, the noodles is ready now, and then I'm just going to drain it. Okay everyone, the vegetables is cooked. Now I'm going to add the green onion. And then the noodles is drained already, so we're just going to add it. Just so fast and easy recipe. Okay everybody, I mixed already, and then now it's ready to eat. We just have to serve it. Serve the food. Yes, the food. Okay, and then we're going to put the vegetables on top, and well, you can add sesame seed on this if you like. So here we go. This is our Oriental noodles using ground beef. Instead of chicken, just use ground beef. So this is my recipe, and hope you like it. See you again. Bye.